Hello guys, I'll be shortly talking about the concept of mathematical induction. So let's say we have some statement or an expression and we like to prove it using mathematical induction. So what this means is, let's say that expression is p and we would like to find the kth term. Now what we do is we assume that the p or the kth term of this expression, or simply p of k, is true, and then using this fact we'd like to prove pk of 1 is also true whenever pk is true, which means that we assume that the current term is true, and using the current term we like to find the next term is true. And here, if this is true, then what we can do is assume this is the current term again, and we know from the fact of these two that the next term will also be true, and then the next, and so on. And likewise, we can go in the reverse direction, and that means if this term is true, then the previous term is true, the previous, and so on. And that means that every term for this statement and expression is true. So that means we can generalize this, and we assume that we have an nth term of a statement or expression, and using this fact we know that the p of n is true. I'll be going over some examples in the next videos.